Lost your key fob or need to program a new one for your 2001 to 2013 Toyota Sequoia? This video will show you how to do it yourself, saving you a trip to the dealer. These models use a 314 MHz frequency fob. Check if your model uses a 3 or 4 button fob. The process involves synchronizing the remote with your vehicle's immobilizer and keyless entry system. You'll need your key fob, OEM or compatible, and access to the driver's seat. Remember, incorrect sequences can lock your system, requiring a dealer reset. Proceed carefully. The most common method involves a cycling process. Insert your key into the ignition and turn it to the on position without starting the engine, then cycle it to off. Repeat this on-off cycle 4 to 5 times. Next, press the lock or unlock button on your key fob within 40 seconds. You should hear horn chirps or see lights flashing, indicating a successful sync. Note that 2001 to 2004 models usually require manual cycling, while 2005 to 2013 models may have an auto-learn mode. If you face issues, double-check the steps against your owner's manual or Toyota's TSB 0010214 for your Sequoia's model year. If the fob continues to not pair after multiple attempts, replace the battery. Avoid aftermarket fobs to prevent glitches.